You get immediate feedback. And within our enterprise feedback tool, we had analytical tools built in. And so these tools could then help us spot patterns and trends in the data for us to see what was causing either our employee engagement to go up or our employee engagement to go down. And then once we had those insights, we could create action plans around it to actually resolve the problem and improve our engagement. We then look at what metrics, and so based on the metrics that we had, we would change the metrics, so we no longer looked at average handle time as an example, and it becomes a continuous process, process improvement framework. So this is where it really gets interesting. This is an output from our tool, our Voice of the Employee and Voice of the Customer tool. And I call this is really the heartbeat of our organization. And so if you look at the top line, that is from our employee voice. So every month we can measure the engagement of our employees. Now it's directional, just gives it to you directionally because it's feedback just from the employees that submitted the tool. But what's helpful is, so for example, you can see in February of 2010 when employee engagement took a dip. You could click on that to determine, okay, what caused our employees to give us a low score? And then meet with the team and put action plans in place. But what's powerful about this is that we now had a way to measure not just the fact that employee engagement went down, but how quickly did we recover? So were the actions we put in place as managers the right actions? Did we solve the problem? And so you can see how closely customers